Are you considering the best hosting solution for your online store? Ever wondered how the giants manage their e-commerce platforms? Stick around as we unveil how Magento on AWS revolutionizes hosting. First, let's define Magento AWS hosting. It involves using Amazon Web Services to host your e-commerce platform. This cloud infrastructure provides flexibility and eliminates hardware limits. Companies trust AWS for its performance and stability. It keeps your store fast and responsive, even with high traffic. Now, on to the 12 reasons to host Magento on AWS. First, cost optimization. AWS cuts upfront costs and server maintenance. Their pay-as-you-go model means you only pay for what you use. Second is Amazon EC2. It auto-scales, adjusting resources to traffic. This means quicker server deployment and cost savings. Third, RDS for automated backups. It protects your data and keeps your store running smoothly, even if a server fails. Fourth is performance. AWS gives you fast load times and improved uptime. Load balancing ensures no single server overload. 5. Security. AWS has a robust infrastructure. It keeps your data safe and helps you comply with industry standards. 6. Scalability and customization. AWS adapts to your business growth. You can tailor your store to your needs. 7. Server provisioning. AWS's auto-scaling groups manage server capacity efficiently, saving time and resources. 8 is global reach expansion. AWS makes it easy to serve content worldwide, allowing for a consistent user experience. 9. Developer productivity. AWS allows for rapid feature deployment, testing, and product launch times. 10. Seamless scaling. AWS supports your e-commerce growth, offering cloud-based solutions that evolve with your store. 11. Advanced analytics. AWS tools offer insights into customer behavior. This enhances the shopping experience. Lastly, expert support. AWS's knowledge base and services like Amazon S3 and Elasticache ensure reliable store performance. To make the most of AWS, remember these best practices. Keep Magento and PHP updated. Consider Graviton processors for PHP apps. Enable HTTP2 for faster code delivery. Optimize databases and caches like Redis or Memcached. Stay current with MySQL and perform regular data re-indexing. Optimize images and web code for better loading times. Cut unnecessary scripts to speed up navigation. Use Elasticsearch and AWS CloudFront for efficient search and quicker content delivery. Managed Magento hosting can handle server tasks for you. They ensure your store stays optimized without you having to manage the technical side. That's a wrap on Magento AWS hosting. Explore these benefits further for your e-commerce platform and consider experts to handle your AWS infrastructure as you scale your business. Hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for more expert insights and guides.
Preview.